Hello students, welcome back to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about one of the writing skills, that is diary entry. You already have done this writing skill even in your previous class, but today one more time we'll have a look and we'll learn that how to write down a beautiful diary and how to write down the diary entry. So first of all, we must know that what is a diary entry. Actually, writing a diary is a very useful habit, and at the same time it is a personal document. Just turning over the pages of a diary refreshes our memory and we can mentally relive the past. Right from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to the bed, a lot of things happens to us. We need not record all of them, but can mention only those which are of great interest and value in the years to come. So the person who writes a diary gives his impressions of the events of his life on that particular day. This account is private and therefore must be honest. No one writes his diary thinking that it is going to be published one day. Yet some diaries have been published after the death of their authors, and they have become very famous novels. As for example, there is a one chapter in class 10, that is the Diary of Anne Frank, but it was another issue that it has been published and developed as a book. But most of the diaries that we write down are personal and only for our private usage, that when we want to refresh our memories, we want to cherish our past, then we just turn over the pages of the diary and just relive our memories and the past as well. So first of all, as we have come to know that what is the importance of writing a diary and what is the usage of writing down a diary, so we should keep few things in mind, then we write down the diary. The first one, kindly note down that a diary can be the best friend of the writer. So it helps him to understand himself better. Writing makes a man perfect. So when we write, we learn. And the next one, while writing your diary, put the day, date and time at the top. And diary doesn't give great details, so let your expressions be short but clear. Writing the diary is not writing an autobiography, though it might help you one day when you decide to write your own biography. So writing a diary is not a must, while write it only if you feel an urge to do so. And diary is written just before going to bed. A great benefit of diary writing is that your own mind becomes clear and you learn to express yourself, and at the same time you can introspect that what have you done all the day and whether was it productive or not, so you can recapitulate your own productivity. So in this way, it's a great habit, it's a beneficial habit to maintain a diary. Although there is no particular rule to begin a diary, an entry in the diary, it will help you if you start thinking of events from morning onwards till the time of your writing. It is not at all necessary to write your diaries every day. You can write on any day and stop when you don't feel like doing so. After all, it is just a personal document. So treat your diary as a sacred document. Don't throw it for the public gaze. Keep it safe in a private place. You can make your diary interesting in any way you want. You may write an interesting sentence you have read or heard on that day, or you may put a picture on it. As diary is like a best friend of the writer, so even you can mention the diary as Dear Diary. So the account in the diary is for yourself only. So let there be no untruth or no cheating. So if there is any untruth, so your diary is not only useless, but it is definitely harmful also. Your entry in the diary is purely informal You may end it with a greeting as if you have spoken to a friend, or you may sign it or you may not. Everything is completely optional. But treat your diary not only as a piece of paper but as a human being who is the other you. Give this being the respect it deserves. So, dear students, while writing down a diary, while maintaining this habit of writing down the diary, so all these things you need to keep in mind, because even though it is a personal document, but at the same time it is very important for you, because it just gives you a glimpse of your own. It helps you to recapitulate you. It helps you to introspect yourself. So treat your diary as your friend with whom you only speak the truth, you only share the truth, and in the same manner you write down. So treat your diary as your friend, and even as it has already been discussed, that the entry can be done in any way, but it would be better and ultimately advisable that while writing your diary, put the day, date and time at the top. As usually we write on the diary before going to bed, the suitable time would be 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, and day and date is must, because when after years or months you just turn over the pages of your diary and you want to recall any moment, any memory or any incident, then at the time date and day would be very helpful, so that you can recall properly, clearly, that what was the incident about. So writing the date, day and time is important. So as it's a personal document, so you can express your own feelings the way you just introspect or you just assess that incident, but be sure that don't do any wrong entry, don't do any wrong entry, or at the same time be honest, loyal with your diary. Whatever you're expressing, it should be the truthfulness only. So dear students, as we have discussed in detail about the purpose and the way of writing down the diary, so as we know that it is the record of an individual's account of a day of his or her life. So if we talk about the format, the first, as it is necessary to mention the date, day and time, and then you can divide your diary entry into 2 passages or even more than 2 passages. So if we talk about the marking scheme, so from your exams point of view, it would be of 8 marks. And how the 8 marks will be segregated: format will be of 1 mark, date, day, time and content, and then content would be of 4 marks, so it would be 5 marks, and 3 marks would be for your accuracy, for your expressions. It will contain the fluency of ideas, expressions, grammatical accuracy and all that. So this is about the format and the purpose of writing down the diary. So I hope that is quite clear to all of you that what is the diary entry. So let's have a look on the format: day, date, time, then 1 line space. Then as you treat your diary as your friend, so you can write down here diary, then again 1 line space, and there would be the content. So it's your wish, as dear student, it's a personal document, so it doesn't contain the much strict format, but so it's your wish whether you want to stick to 1 single paragraph or you want to divide your diary into 2 paragraphs. So it's completely your wish. And moreover, if you want to keep your diary in a box, in a rectangular box, you can keep. Otherwise, if you don't want to keep, it's entirely your wish. But it is necessary that to mention your name at the end of the diary, as you can start the content with a greeting or with incident like it was a very happy day, or it was a very sad day for me, or it was an awesome day. So in this way you can start your diary entry, and at the end even you can greet your diary: good night, it's being late, that I'm going to sleep. So the main idea, the main thing is to say is that treat your diary as your friend, and it should be as you're talking to your friend while expressing your feelings about any particular incident. So in the next video, we'll discuss more about the diary entry.